Good morning. Good morning. Hello, everybody. Jason Sweeting. Everybody calls me Jay the Trader. And it's another beautiful day looking at the market, man. Another beautiful day. Um, hmm. I really didn't wake up with much on my mind other than just do what I'm supposed to do. So let's look at the market and see if we can find a spot to do what we know we're supposed to do. Um, Share screen. The idea is to make money, but really making money is a byproduct of your patience and your dedication to doing the right thing. Buying the bottom, selling the tops, kind of, doing the right thing. Okay, we had some nice moves yesterday. I never saw this move. I never saw this move right here. Dang, I did not see this. I think my internet went out throughout the night and I never saw that move. That hurts. Mm, that's a nice move. The bonds did a good job, man. Pretty predictable. Bonds did a fantastic job. Very, very much so. I'm proud of them. Okay, let's just find the levels that we're looking for. Our open was right here, 155.10. Are we good with that? Are we at 155.10? 1 second. Sorry. We're at 155.00. Right, there we go. The open of the 1900 candle, 155.00. Market kind of attacks the upside, comes back down, retracts the bottom. Catches a low at 154.28. That low, I had a special level right here at 154.30. Yeah, I didn't know quite yet if the bonds were ready to do that. I felt like it was some stuff underneath that might be a concern. In fact, I wanted the market to come back and kind of catch. Um, in my opinion, 154.14 is what I wanted before we started lifting out this way. So it kind of cheated my downside a little bit. Little cheated the downside. So they grabbed 154.28, and they run through 155.28. That's 32, and they run all the way up to 156.11 for our overnight high. Wow, 156.11, great move. It finds the 11s. After it does that, it finds down. It rolls back into the range. Kind of finds 155.27 before someone else kind of steps up and says that they agree. So, man, up is the way. An overnight range from 28 to 56.10, so 28 to 28 and then 10 is 32 and 14. That's 46 ticks overnight. It's pretty impressive. Nothing but love for that. It's pretty impressive. And yeah, Bonds did a good job. Let's squeeze it a bit so we can see where we are. All right, all right, all right. It's kind of obvious. Today should be kind of cool. Should be a pretty good day. Should be a pretty good day. We'll see how it plays, but it should be pretty straightforward. All right, let's go check the ES. Only in day. Where's the ES? Where is it? Where's my? Oh, here we are. Sorry, couldn't find my chart. I'm checking the ES60s, kind of for the same activity. Hanging out around 39.15. This is surprising. I thought that overnight last night we probably would have got another lift. I was looking for at least 39.51. They kind of shortchanged this. But let's not talk about it. Let's find the level so we can really call it out. Our open, also known as the first price traded of the day, is right in here somewhere. 39.32.75 it looks to be. 39.33.25 something. Let's make sure I have it. Yeah. 33.25 is the open. Market comes up, catches a high. That's around 39, 38.50. Then falls dramatically. And it appears that it falls basically yesterday's overnight high, somewhere around there. That's 39.08.25. Now, I know if you're watching along, I just want to tell you, like my chart, a lot of lines, a lot of stuff going on. But really what I'm paying attention to, the movement of the candles, is it green? Is it red? Is it long? Does it have what's the high, to open, the low, to close? That's what I'm looking at right now. And when I look, basically I'm seeing price make a pivot to the upside and then come down overnight. It kind of ran short of where I thought it would go. I thought it would get all the way to 39.05 again, but that's neither here nor there. It found support at 10, and now we're kind of hanging out. I want to see if 20 is going to hold up. So if I had my, I guess, like idea for today, what would be the idea? The idea would be to see if we trade out above 39.19. That would mean a lot on the ES. Trading out above there would mean a whole lot. Yeah, 39.19 is what I'm looking for. And then the other thing would be on the bonds to see if, it's doing it now, but to see what happens at 14, 155.14. That's really it. See what happens at 14. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty basic, little boring day. The time is 8:11. I'm going to stop my share. Well, let's go check the news, I guess. Make that the last thing. Check the news. Here we are. I got some tank top. Onion day. All right, today is March 23rd. Is it? It's Tuesday already? Tuesday the 23rd. Powell is testifying at noon. Boy. Source released testimony next text 20 hours earlier than scheduled due to testify along with Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen on the quarterly CARES Act report before the House Financial Services Committee via satellite. It's pretty big. That's the Coronavirus Aid Relief and Economic Security Act, the CARES Act. Should be pretty good. So,
hey Jay, out of curiosity, do you have to? Can anybody just watch that? I would love to hear about the whole shebang.
Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be televised on something. I'm not sure who's gonna carry it, but somebody's got to be carrying it. Like when this guy talks, everybody carries. Like we watched him yesterday at some random stuff. So
yeah, I was gonna say it's funny to hear other people, especially the Fed, talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. That's pretty funny.
Yeah,
it happens, but I guess that's when they mean business and they serious.
Yes, and they are. To me, the one yesterday, it really showed a lot about like what the status quo people feel about this new emerging technology and what they're really trying to do. Like it has they don't care if it works or if it doesn't. They're just wondering, do they control it or do they not? Like it wasn't, no question yesterday was, is it good for us? Does it truly work? Like nobody said that. The guy from Mexico, the guy from, what was his name? Yins or whatever. Nobody was like, oh, it doesn't work. It's bad for society. No, nobody questioned it. Not once. I found that to be very, very eye-opening. Everybody was like, oh yeah, for sure. How do we maintain stability? I was like, oh, maintain the status quo. How can we have a stable coin? Stuff like that, That was what was funny. I don't know if that'll be, more about that today, but I found it very, very, Listening to the guy from Mexico, he was sharp. I can't remember that guy's name. He was dope though. What do we have? Red Book at 8:55. Bullard speaks at 9. New Homes at 10. Richmond Fed at 10 as well. Bostic speaks at 10:10. Barkin speaks at 11. They got everybody talking. This is like the week of press conferences. Everybody's saying the speech. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Questions. Time is 14 after. So I'm open to any and all questions for a moment, and then we'll get going. Good morning. Jay Captain Kid says, good to see you this morning. The open is the price at 819.19. The open is the price at 6 p.m. Eastern time. It's the very first price traded of the day. Find first candle of the session and find the open of it on any time chart. Your open is the open of the candle on the daily chart. Your open is the opening price of the day. Okay? Opening price of the day. Rave, somebody says C-SPAN will probably show it. GTG1 says C-SPAN. I agree. They might do it.
Oh, yeah, I gotta find out which channel that is, but I got you.
For sure. Oh, man. Hey, much love to everybody. I appreciate it. Are there any other questions? I'm about to go get into this trade room so that we can get rolling, get us a rolling start on the market. If you have any questions about anything, of course, remember, holler at me. I'd love to help. If you're interested in taking my free course, you can click the link in my Instagram bio and you can do that. That's fine. If you go to Trade Like Jay the Trader, and that's Trade Like Jay, the letter J, the trader, .com/quiz or tradelikeJaythetrader.com/tell me more. All of those are great ways to kind of get started with what it is I do and how I teach and stuff like that. But until next time, man, you already know what it is. Let's go get to the bread. Be safe, huh? I used to say, don't be stupid. Don't let the market fool you. Straight up. I used to say that. So don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Be accurate, be precise. If you don't know the difference between trading accuracy and trading precision, go check out my Instagram. I went live and talked about it like a little while ago. And be accurate, be precise. All right. Today's the day where you change your life, but you're going to change it by being patient and doing what you're supposed to do when you're supposed to do it. All right. Much love, man. Let's get to it. Clock on the wall says that's about all. I enjoyed y'all. Had a ball. Boom, boom, ski. That's it. Your boy Jay's got a split. I'm out.